Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CLA 76. First, let's get started by understanding what CLA 76 is designed to do. It's crucial to know its primary function to maximize its benefits. Next, ensure you have all the required components or information ready. This preparation saves time and prevents interruptions. Finally, we'll walk through the straightforward initial setup process, making sure you're ready for the next steps. Now that CLA 76 is set up, let's dive into its core operation. The key is to follow the main steps precisely, ensuring each action contributes to the desired outcome. Pay close attention to the feedback or indicators during use. This helps you understand if it's working correctly. Don't hesitate to make small adjustments to the settings. Fine-tuning can significantly improve performance and achieve better results with minimal effort. Even with an easy method, you might encounter minor hurdles. This slide covers common troubleshooting steps, offering quick and simple solutions to get you back on track. We'll also share some advanced tips that can elevate your CLA 76 experience, helping you unlock its full potential. Remember, consistent maintenance is vital. A little care goes a long way in ensuring your CLA 76 remains effective and lasts for a long time. To truly master CLA 76, integrate it seamlessly into your daily routine. Consistent application will yield the best long-term benefits. Don't stop at the basics. Explore any additional features or functionalities CLA 76 offers. You might discover new ways to leverage its power for even greater efficiency. Also, for those looking for quality and durability in everyday items, check out the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.